This is the baby haul video. For my baby haul video, I'm just going to show you everything that I got him for, well, while I was out during Christmas shopping for him, the crib, any clothes we got. I didn't get everything because I didn't have my baby shower yet, so I just got essentials. Some of the places I went to were Once Upon a Child, which is basically a store where you bring old baby stuff and they reuse it. What is it called? I can't even think of the name of it. Anyway, it's like other people's stuff and they wash it and they sell it. I went to Target, Amazon.com, Diapers.com, Baby Dress, AJ Wright, and I think that's it. Okay, so this starts the tour. I'm going to start with his crib. As you can see right here, the crib came from Amazon.com. It's an American baby crib, and it's actually a mini crib, so it's not full size. And this is his mobile, his little froggies, and turtles. And then underneath, his little bee. This is his boppy. This boppy was $10 at Once Upon a Child, and all I did was buy a new slip cover for it. So that's cool. The bedding is from American Baby, and it's like blue polka dots. I have the bumpers in here, but I know they're not safe, so probably have to take it out. These are two little teddy bears from when I was younger. So that's his crib. This is the laundry basket I bought for him. And I can actually show you some of the stuff in here. It needs to be washed. But this is a blanket I bought him from Target. It's really soft and kitty. These are just some bibs. They have like the drill backing, so if they throw up or something, it doesn't leak through on their clothes. And then these are some towels, because he didn't have any. So I just got him a couple of towels. And I got him jeans. This is my spare jeans. They're cute. Oh, and then he has this little t-shirt and it says, "My Aunt Rocks." Isn't it cute? So those are just some of the things he has. These need to be washed though. So they're going back in there. And then I also have newborn diapers. So these are all the newborn diapers in this little bag. And I actually got different brands just to see how each brand works. And then under his bed, if you see those boxes, that is 800 size 1 to 2 diapers. So he should be stacked for the first few months. This is my buddy Carmelo. I don't know if you can see him. He's kind of camouflaging. That's my frog. As you can see, I really like frogs. These are all my frogs over the years. These are some of his ultrasound pictures. Okay, back to the haul. Going on a tangent. So this is a little dresser I bought for him. And I'm probably going to need more space, but this is just what I have right now. So when you open the top drawer, you have all his shoes. They're so cute, especially these. They're little bears. They're so adorable. And then he has socks on this side, and then he has mittens over here. These are just mittens. Back here is his little bag to wash all his little socks and mittens. And then in the very back are all his little hats. So he has like millions of hats, which is cool. And then you close that up, and underneath is bibs. So he has like tons and tons of bibs. And I got a lot of bibs with like the plastic on the back, or the Carter's ones. They have like the little backing without the little stuff on it. So these are all his bibs. And then I found these little froggy washcloths. See the frogs? Cute. And then he also has like little Crayola washcloths that say blue or green or whatever color they are, which are cool. So that's his bib drawer. And then this drawer is his 3 to 6 months, I think. I'm not going to show you everything in here, but I'll show you a few things. I found these PJs, which I think are super adorable. And they're like adult PJs for a little baby. They're cute. And then I got a couple of these gowns. People said you should buy them, so I got like 2 or 3, and they're just little gowns for him. And I mean, that's all I really have. He got this little sleeper too. But this is when he's like much, much older. And then down here are receiving blankets, sheets for his bed. I did find this cute frog blanket. I don't know if you could see the frog or not. And then the back is like a silk. It's really soft. So that's pretty. So that's just all the receiving blankets. And he has like tons. Like this drawer is super deep. And that is everything. So that's just a few things. Of course, I didn't want to buy too much because, like I said, we're going to have a baby shower. He's going to get tons of stuff. But I just got the essentials. Oh, I didn't show you the newborn drawer. So this drawer has all his newborn and onesies. So these are all bird cloths over here. These are onesies with like designs. And these are like under your shirt, white t-shirt onesies. And then I got him a whole bunch of sleepers for when he's older. And here's another little, my auntie's awesome shirt, but this is like a newborn. I don't know if you can tell. Super small. It actually shrank after I washed it, which made it way smaller. So I put all his newborn stuff in there. So that's all the things that I've gotten for him so far. I didn't want to go through and show you everything, but it's like tons and tons of stuff. So that's the baby haul video. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll update more on baby stuff after the baby shower. Alrighty, thank you everyone for watching. Bye.